everyone, the moment you've all been waiting for, the mating of the spoiler. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James, and today we're going to unbox and install the Monaco Motorsports M3 carbon fiber spoiler on the M340i. All right, well, let's unbox this M3 carbon fiber-esque spoiler that we have bought for our M340i. Okay, you ready? Let's pull this baby out. Oh, there we go. All right. Get a little close-up as I unravel this baby. Oh yeah, this is looking really fresh. I think I can pretty much slide her off from here. Yep. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, this is the view everybody else will see actually. Once we put it on, it looked like that from the back of the car. Wow, that looks sharp. I dig it. What do you guys think, huh? Does it look good? All right, let's go install it. All right, you guys, we're gonna apply some heat. I got this heat gun from work, check it out. Work let me borrow the Ungen 1095. So, I'm hoping this will work. All right, Shorty, let's hit it with the low heat. Okay. All right, and let's see if that's enough power to friggin' get this to let the adhesive up. Okay. And then if it's not good enough, we'll go to high. But I don't want to, like, I've never done this before, people. I'm not trying to, like, ruin my paint job. So we'll try with the low heat. Oh, yeah, ooh, that's getting warm fast. All right, cool. I got this little plastic knife right here. I've already tried to cut it with the dental floss a little bit, and it seems to have cut through a little bit. So I'm thinking maybe I can get under it with a plastic knife and start to pry it up. Let's see here. Ooh, that's hot as a mofo. Oh yeah. Okay, go back a little bit. We'll bring you back to about right there. All right, let's see what we got here.
Please don't burn yourself.
All right, Shelby, we broke the seal.
Yeah.
All right. As you heat it up, hopefully it will give it up. Okay, back up a little bit more. Okay, back up a little bit more. Good job. See, the heat works, doesn't it? Okay.
There we go.
There you go.
Yay, we got it. All right, well, now I'm going to clean off this surface right here, and we'll bring the new M3 carbon fiber spoiler out, and we'll install it. All right, everyone, it's the next day. I ain't gonna lie, I could not get this tape off, residue, once I got the plastic trim off. As you see over here, there is nothing, but there's a reason why. I want to show you guys something. So, I went to work and I was talking to one of my buddies at work about this issue, and he says, hey man, he says, I got this thing called the Magic Wheel. He said he got it on Amazon. I found mine on, what was it, baby?
O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's. So, the wife picked me up one of these, say, while I was at work. So when I get home, I could get this crappy glue off. We could put that new M3 spoiler on. So, I was very, very skeptical because, you know, this is a really nice paint job. I didn't really want to mess it up. But everybody said it will not burn the paint up as long as you don't leave it on the paint for too long. So, I just want to show you guys a real quick demonstration of how this thing works because I think it's pretty cool. It does a really good job. All right, you guys, ready? Here we go. Check it out. Look at that. We were doing this for what? 10 seconds maybe? Look at it. It burns that stuff right off. And when you touch the paint, it's just a little warm. It's not like hot where it's like, ah! It's just nice and warm. So
here's the part that he did.
Yep.
And then this still needs to be done.
Burned off, right.
So let me get a better. Okay.
How are we doing? Oh, just a little bit left. I like to check every so many seconds, you guys, to just make sure that I'm not just sitting in the same area or I'm not missing nothing. So I'm going to get back to work on this, and we'll show you what the finished product looks like after we get all this garbage off the top of the trunk lid. All right, everyone, take a look. I think it turned out pretty doggone good. Look at that. Heck yeah. Took it all off, didn't put no marring on the paint. Looks really good. Very, very happy on how that wheel worked. If you are skeptical of using one, I'm here to tell you, as long as you use it right and don't leave it on the paint too long, it does a fabulous job. Basically, as soon as it starts to rip it up, just start moving on down the line. All right, well, let's go get our M3 spoiler. Let's mount it. All right, we got our 3M tape on here. Just to show you, I put on 2 big rows and a little third row on the corners. And we'll start peeling this off right here and get ready to put it on the car. All right, everyone, the moment you've all been waiting for. The mating of the spoiler. Let's see if we can get this right. Should be the same on each side. Take a look before I press down. Okay, that looks good. Looks pretty good. All right, here we go. She moved on me a little bit. Maybe I can slide it over. Let's see. Yep, I can. I just a hair. When it went down, it friggin', she slid on me a little bit.
I heard it.
Yeah, and I was like, shoot! That's okay though. It's okay though. We were able to. Good thing is the car's not going anywhere till tomorrow morning. So the glue will actually have time to just sit here and cure, right. I kind of wish it was a hot day or a hot night, but you know, it was 80 degrees today, you guys. So it's not like it was a cold day when we put this on. So, yeah.
No, just chilly in the morning, warmer in the afternoon. All those people say, I love fall.
All right. Well,
okay.
What do you think of the new look?
There is the finished product. Obviously, it's got to be touched up because of the fingerprints, but we'll get to that.
The new and improved look of the M340i. I think it looks pretty sharp, y'all. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. You see how it blends into the back of the trunk lid? So seamless. Looks freaking great. Oh, yeah. Well, what do you think of the finished product, huh? I think it turned out pretty good. You guys enjoyed the video? Give me a like, smash that subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.